Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all fine. Myself Hasnath sir, I am going to teach you a very wonderful topic of mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the coordinates and two-dimensional plane distance. Okay, what do you mean by two-dimensional plane? Two-dimensional plane is about the two axes, that is y axis and x axis. The combination of this axis is known as the Cartesian plane. ठीक है? What is the Cartesian plane? A plane formed by two perpendicular number lines. Do you know about the perpendicular lines? Yes, that is the y axis and that is the x axis. This y axis is a number line. You surely know about the number line. Okay, if you not sure about the number line, I will tell you. Number line is a line which contains all the real numbers on it in the form of a section. Okay, the number line contains in the middle part as a 0 and the positive side is on the right side. The numbers mentioned on that side is positive. For example, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And another side of the number line is a one dimension number line, and the another side of number line is -1, -2 and -3, -4. Okay, according to the requirement of the numbers, that is the number lines. Number lines only represent the real numbers. Okay, so today our topic is the Cartesian plane and coordinate geometry. So now moving on the combination of number line that are the perpendicular intersection of the x-axis and y-axis and x-axis. The x-axis y-axis intersecting at a point that is known as origin. Origin is that point at which y-axis and x-axis intersecting to each other. So we can define this Cartesian plane as by definition a plane formed by two perpendicular number lines. What is the number lines? X-axis and y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical number lines and x-axis is the horizontal number lines. Okay. Now moving on to another important features of this Cartesian plane. This Cartesian plane having quadrants. What is the quadrants? Quadrants is the area. Quadrant is the area formed by x-axis and y-axis. इस y-axis और इस x-axis के बीच में जो भी एरिया है, इनके बीच के एरिया को हम लोग क्वाड्रेंट बोलते हैं. So we have such type of areas in 4 types. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That are the quadrant. Okay, we have first quadrant, it is known as first quadrant, it is known as second quadrant, it is known as third quadrant, it is known as fourth quadrant. So quadrant is just the area contained by the x-axis and y-axis. Quadrant is the area just contained by x-axis and y-axis. You can see also here the x-axis and y-axis contain the area. It is second quadrant and this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, now moving on the abscissa. What is abscissa? So consider we have chosen a point here, this point P. We have chosen a point P here. So this point have two distance from this Cartesian plane. One distance is from y-axis and one distance is from x-axis. Okay, so the distance from the y-axis, the perpendicular distance from the y-axis is known as abscissa. This distance is known as abscissa. Okay, and the perpendicular distance from the x-axis is known as ordinate. Okay, so students, what do you mean by abscissa and ordinate? Abscissa is just a value of x-axis number line. Okay, the abscissa is just a value of x-axis number line, and the ordinate is the value of number line on the y-axis. So we can measure these numbers by scales, or we don't have a scale, so we have to choose these parallel lines on the number line. This distance can be measured on that number line, and this distance can be measured on that number line. So we can perform by using the abscissa and find the coordinate of that point. So we can write here in the form of ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? Ordered pair is we have to put the value of abscissa first and we have put value of coordinate after the abscissa by placing a comma. So we can perform the coordinate of this point as what is the value of abscissa? Abscissa is and here is 3 and what is the value of coordinate is 4, 2. What is the value of coordinate is 2. So we can also find the coordinate of any point by using the concept of abscissa and ordinate. So we have a definition here. Abscissa is the distance from a point to the vertical or y-axis and ordinate is the distance from a point on the horizontal or y-axis. And you have also learned about the quadrant. Quadrant have 4 types. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So what is the value of first quadrant? What is the sign of first quadrant? The all points placing in the first quadrant having positive x-axis, you can see easily positive numbers, and also positive y-axis. So we can conclude that our first quadrant having the only positive signs as a abscissa and ordinate. In the second quadrant, the x-axis is negative and the y-axis is positive. So it is a negative positive sign. And the third quadrant has negative sign because here is x-axis is negative and y-axis is also negative. And in fourth quadrant, we have concluded the x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So the sign system of the quadrant is also here. So this is a brief introduction of coordinate geometry, and I hope कि आपको ये पसंद आया होगा. And we will also discuss the next part of this coordinate geometry in our next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Signing off.